Morning students, we are in second chapter which is fractions and we are studying different types of fractions. Okay, so our next fraction is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10. Okay, na? Like 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay, a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, etc. What are the examples of decimal fractions? Like 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 25 by 1000. Okay, these are the examples of decimal fractions. Got it? Our next fraction is vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction is a fraction whose denominator is other than a power of 10. यानी वल्गर फ्रैक्शन वैसे फ्रैक्शन को कहा जाता है जिनका डिनोमिनेटर 10 के पावर के अलावा कुछ भी हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल 3 by 5, 2 by 9, 11 by 15. These all are called vulgar fractions. Okay, na? These are called vulgar fractions. Next fraction is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are those fractions, okay, whose value are same. What is same? Suppose that there is 10 by 20 and there is 1 by 10. We can say that 10 by 20 and 1 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Why I am saying 10 means 0 0 cancel, we get 1 by 2 and there is fraction 1 by 2. Both are equal, na? That's why they are called equivalent fractions. When we can say that when numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same number, then we can get equivalent fractions. Or if the numerator and denominator of a fractions, okay, divided by the same number, then we also find the equivalent fraction. Got it? Why I am saying, suppose that there is a number 3 by 2 and there is a number 30 by 20. We multiply numerator by 10 and denominator by 10. Then we get what? 30 by 20. Or 30 by 20 and 30 by 20. Equivalent, na? Okay, that's why we say that. Hence, we can say that 3 by 2 and 30 by 20 are our equivalent fractions. Got it? Okay. If we write 25 by 20 and write 5 by 4. If I ask 25 by 20 and 5 by 4 are equivalent fractions or not, then what is your answer? It must be yes, because at first we have to we have to simplify this fraction. 5 4, we get 5 by 4 and here is a fraction of 5 by 4. Are both equal or not? Yes, they are equal. That's why we can say that if numerator and denominator of a fraction is divided by the common number, then we get equivalent fraction. Got it? One thing keep in your mind when we say that if numerator and denominator is multiplied by the same number, or numerator and denominator is divided by the same number, then we get this equivalent fractions. Always keep in mind that your number must be non-zero. Okay, na? We will never take 0. Got it? Means your number must be non-zero. Okay, na? Our next fraction is like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions whose denominators are equal or same but numerator are different. What I say, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 7 by 13. These all are examples of like fractions because these fractions have common denominator, means same denominator there, means this is 13 but different numerators there, 2, 3, 7. That's why these all are examples of like fractions. Our next fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. What I say, if you write 2 by 9, 3 by 11, 4 by 7, 5 by 9, yes, 11. These all are, sorry, we can't write 11, 5 by 12. These all are unlike fractions because their denominators are different. That's why these are the examples of unlike fractions. Our next topic is conversion of unlike fractions into like fractions. हमें unlike fractions को like fractions बनाने हैं. Suppose that there are examples 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 3 by 9, 4 by 9. We have to make them like fractions. At first take the LCM of 3, 6 and 9. LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is equal to 18. Now 18 is divided by each denominator. 3, we get 6. Now first fraction means 2 by 3 is multiplied by 6. We get 12 by 18. Now LCM is divided by second denominator. Now second fraction 5 by 6 is multiplied by this quotient. Now LCM is divided by the third denominator, that is 2. Now third fraction is multiplied by 2. We can say that 12 by 18, 15 by 18 and 8 by 18 are our like